What are you watching?
Second opinion.
Yeah, so.
Go on, Mom.
We've literally watched this.
Okay, Alexandra, do something about it.
I can't. It doesn't go away.
Oh, come on, man. There are kids here. What? Man, I'm hydrating, okay? It's like a freaking sauna in this thing. Put the headphones on and get out there. Can you send us a second?
Go get someone.